We're here in Food Network Studios and we're about to taste international chip flavors.
And we're gonna guess which country and the flavor.
Okay,
All right.
cheers. Okay, I think these might be spicy.
Yeah.
Because they're red.
They're like ketchup chips.
I was just gonna say that.
These are ketchup chips.
I feel like they're gonna be ketchup. We didn't even have to taste it.
I have no idea what that is.
Oh,
Does that smell like ketchup to you?
I bet these are ketchup and they're from Canada because that's a big thing in Canada.
Whoa.
Very tangy.
Vinegary.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
I almost want to say ketchup.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Do you have a guess about what country this is?
I'm torn between like UK and like, yeah, UK.
My
Actually,
guess
just
is
kidding.
Greece.
Oh.
They're ketchup.
No
All right,
way.
good.
Wow.
From Canada.
Yay!
Oh my god, I got a good teammate here.
Canada.
Oh, they're always trying to copy Europe.
What are these?
I feel like they're gonna be sweet.
Oh.
Honey mustard?
Oh.
Ooh, this smells good.
Rather unusual. French onion soup.
They're good. I like them.
Oh, it kind of has a cheesiness to it too, though.
It's like garlicky though, too. a
Yeah,
little
I
bit.
can't tell if it's like onion powder or garlic powder.
Maybe it's barbecue.
It's a very savory.
Are we eating the same chip?
Yeah, I think it's like a
Mine's
savory
so
flavor.
sweet. I'm tasting like a sweet onion or
Tastes
like a
like
honey
meat.
mustard. Is that
Honey
what it is?
mustard. It tastes exactly like honey mustard.
No, it's honey
I
mustard,
think
yeah.
it's honey mustard.
But I also feel like this could be like some weird chicken flavor. And like we're just totally missing the mark.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say my final guess is some sort of chicken thing.
I think I'm gonna stick with honey mustard.
Takoyaki.
What?
I don't know what that is.
Takoyaki?
They're made in China.
Okay.
Japanese flavor. It's like a little octopus.
Stumped.
Takoyaki.
What?
I don't get any fishy flavor.
Yeah.
But if there's like hoisin sauce or like something
Yeah.
on top of it, I could get that.
Right.
These are a fun shape.
This is an intriguing little design here. Look at this guy.
Ooh.
It looks like kind of like those worms from Dune.
They look like something from outer space.
Whoa.
Ooh. We both had the same reaction.
I'm getting like funnel cake before
Yeah,
I
me
even eat
too.
this.
It smells like sweet corn.
I was gonna say funnel cake.
I want to say Israel because they do weird stuff to their
That's like
chips
corn,
there.
right? That's like sweet corn chip?
Yeah.
It's corn.
Oh, I mean it does
It's like
kinda-
baby corn.
No, it does taste like corn. Is this cream corn or something?
Corn on the
Sweet
cob
corn,
with
corn on the cob.
Corn potage, corn soup.
Corn soup.
All right. Teamwork
Score.
makes the dream work.
It does.
Corn soup. Oh, okay.
That's good.
I know.
Japanese.
Yeah, I feel like it's Japan. Korea.
Korea.
There's sweet notes in it.
It's like a wine.
Yeah, I'm getting a little
Sweet
oak,
notes,
a
yeah.
little oaky flavor.
Very smoky.
Yeah.
On looks alone, I'm saying cinnamon sugar.
It smells like cinnamon.
No. Oh,
That was a curveball.
tastes like Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
Not sweet.
No, not at all. It was definitely
Tangy.
wrong. Very tangy,
It just like stings my tongue a little bit.
a little bit.
This is like vegetable soup, potato chips.
British steak sauce chips.
Like a cat licking it.
It's not bad.
It's like a weird meat thing.
Weird meat
gonna
thing
say
from the UK.
Something steak related.
Steve Irwin.
Australia. What do they eat? Oh, is it Vegemite?
Vegemite.
What's that weird thing in Australia that they all like? Like Marmite or something? Yeah?
Marmite.
Marmite!
It's Marmite.
No.
This is so much harder than I was expecting. Like,
Oh,
I thought I was a super taster.
All right, this is an intriguing color. Is that teriyaki sauce?
I think so.
this is definitely like black powder.
You think it's savory?
Of course.
I feel like it's sweet.
What?
Oh my God. What is this flavor?
It's a beverage-derived flavor.
What?
Like an alcoholic beverage.
Oh, is it like a, is this a Guinness?
Guinness.
chip?
Guinness!
Oh, was it
Oh, is it beer?
Is it
It's
Guinness?
like Guinness.
from Ireland?
Ireland.
Guinness.
Guinness.
Ireland. That's where it's from.
That was weird.
That was weird. That was definitely the weirdest. And
Very
I still taste
weird.
it.
Whenever I travel, I get chips. And
Oh.
I ask people to bring me chips wherever they
I
travel.
like that idea. I've done that with candy, but I've never done it with chips. But I think I'll start.
I don't know. I thought I would do a little better.
I'm
but
impressed with you with the Marmite.
that was a lucky guess.
As a sour cream and onion boy myself, I now know that there are other options.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to Food Network.